Chapter number 2, Power Play. Experiencing the power play, an impossible venture. Read.
Yes, 1 second. Experiencing the power play. An impossible venture. Take a sheet of paper as large a sheet you can find, or fold it once, fold it again and again. How many times can you fold it over and over? Esther says, I heard that a sheet of paper can't be folded more than 7 times. Roxy replies, what if we use a thinner paper like a newspaper or a tissue paper? Try it with different types of paper and see what happens.
If you can fold a paper,
If you can fold the paper 46 times, it will be so thick that it can reach the moon. What? That's crazy. Just 46 times? You must have ignored several zeros after 46. Well, why do you find out yourself?
read.
Okay. Say you can fold a sheet of paper as many times as you wish. What would its thickness be after 30 folds? Make a guess. Let us find out how thick a sheet of paper will be after 46 folds. Assume that the thickness of the sheet is 0.001 centimeter.
Okay. Then
What, ma'am?
read.
Following table lists the thickness after each fold. Observe that the thickness doubles after each fold.
Yeah. So read the table. First we read the table. Yeah. Fold 1, 0.00.
Okay. One fold.
Wait. 0.002 centimeters thickness.
Yes.
And when you reach to the 17, that will be 131 centimeter.
Yes.
The thickness of fold is means your paper should be like this and this. So this thickness of fold is 131 centimeter. That is 17th time fold. Okay. Then we use the approximation sign, not equal. That is approximation sign, means near about. That is not equal to. That is near about 131 centimeter. Approximately equal to. See, approximation sign. After 10 folds, the thickness is just above 1 centimeter. After 17 folds, thickness is just above 131 centimeter. Okay, so now what you think the thickness would be after 30 folds, 45 folds? Make a guess. Fill in the table. Fill in the table. So according to this, we have to complete the table. Okay. After 26 folds, the thickness is approximately 670 meters. Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the tallest building in the world, is 830 meters tall. Okay. Next thing.
Okay.
Next thing. Fold 27th fold, the thickness is 1.3 kilometers. Okay. After 30 folds, thickness of paper is about 10.7 kilometers after 30 folds. Okay. The typical height at which planes fly. The deepest point discovered in the ocean is Mariana Trench, and deepest length is 11 kilometer. So here then you have to fill this one. After this, it might be it might be hard to digest the fact that after just 46 folds, the thickness is more than 7 lakh kilometer. This is the power of multiplicative growth, also called exponential growth. Let us analyze the growth. We have seen that thickness doubles after every fold. Thickness is doubles first fold, and when you fold it from there, so it will be, so thickness, the first thickness is this and the second thickness is this. So it means thickness is just doubled, mentioned here. Okay, every thickness, after every thickness,
Okay.
after every doubles, thickness is double. Okay, notice the changes in thickness after two folds. By how much does it increase? After any three folds, the thickness increases 8 times. Check it that if is it true. Similarly, from any point the thickness after 10 folds increases by 1024 times, multiplied by 2 for 10 times itself. Okay, as shown in the table below.
Okay.
0 to 10, okay, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. Okay, the next heading is exponential notations and operations. Okay, basically
Okay.
exponential means when you write anything, anything in the power form, that is called the exponential form. See, you have n multiplied by n, so you write it n to the power 2, n raised to the power 2, whatever you want to say, n raised to the power 2, or
Hmm.
simply you can say n square, or you can say n to the power 2. Okay, so means if I
Okay.
write, if I write so how many times a are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that is a to the power 11. So this is called the exponential form, and this is the expanded form. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. And related to exponential form, we read, we discuss the operations also. Means how we add the exponents. Suppose how we subtract the exponents, how we multiply the exponents, how we divide the exponents. These type of operations we will discuss. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Then the second thing, base and power. Suppose I write a to the power 6, so the below part, the alphabetical part, it is called the base, and this numerical part is called the power. So I am writing 7 to the power 12. So what is the base here? What is the base here?
What, mom?
What is the base here?
A.
No, in this case 7 to
No,
the power
7.
12.
Sorry,
Yeah.
7.
7 to the power 12.
7.
Yeah, and what is the power?
Yes. 12.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the power and the base
Okay.
basically. Then next question, which expression? See, which expression describes the thickness of a sheet of paper after it is folded 10 times? The initial thickness is represented by the number of letter V. So when you are, which expression describe the thickness of sheet of paper when you fold it 10 times? When you fold it 10 times,
Hmm.
and thickness is represented by V. So it is V multiplied by 10, because this is the thickness, means when we fold for one time, its thickness becomes V, and we are
Yes.
folding it for 10 times. So we multiply by 10. So that is
But ma'am, it's
10V.
not given in the option.
See, first option 10V. You can write it V
Oh.
multiplied by 10 or 10V. Both
Uh,
are same thing. Okay?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the second next thing, yeah. Express the number 32,400 as the product of prime factors. So first we find the prime factorization, and then we write it like how many times 2? 2 is 4 times, 5 is 2 times, and 3 is 4 times. So 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the
Hmm.
power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 4. That is the exponential form of 32,400. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So tell me the answers. It is very easy. All the exponential form. Look at the
Okay.
questions and just tell me the answers orally. Fast. 6 to the power?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
So, tell me what is the first answer in the exponential form?
6 to the power 4.
Yeah, second one,
B to the power 4.
it is the third one. I am talking about the second one. It is y to the
Oh,
power 2.
Y to the power 2.
Yeah, the third one.
B to the power 4.
Yeah, fourth one.
5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3.
Yeah, fifth one.
2 to the power 2 into A to the power 2.
And the sixth one.
A to the power 3 into C to the power 4 into D.
Okay. Now, next question. Express
Not
each,
say D to the power 1.
okay. Express each of the following as the product of powers in their prime factorization in exponential form. Similar question like the 32,400, correct? First we
Yes, ma'am.
first we find the prime factorization and then write their exponential form. So do the fourth bit. Do the fourth bit.
Fourth bit, okay.
Yeah. Done?
Doing. Okay. Ma'am, should we use 3 stable or 2 stable?
Whatever you want. Start with the
Okay.
smallest number every time. So
So
280
I'm
are,
taking 2.
okay. 2 nines are 0 is means adding just for the question, okay, means no you, then 2 450, then what we do, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10, 225. Then we use 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Then we use 5, 5 nines are, then we use 3. Am I doing right?
Yes.
Now make the pair, that is 2 to the power 4, 5 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. So this is the exponential form, okay? And
Yes.
rest bits are your homework. Come on the question
Okay.
number 3, numerical value of the following.
Yes.
So just see, I am doing the fourth bit. Just open the values, that is minus 3 square multiplied by minus 5 square. So tell me what is the 3 square?
9.
Yes, power is even. I already told you that in the previous classes. If power
Yes.
is even, so minus becomes plus. So answer will be
Yes.
9 only. And again 5 to the power 20 square
10.
to 25.
So
25.
25.
Yeah, 25 nines are 225. That is
25
your
9.
answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is the way for numerical value, and that way means the previous one is the exponential form. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and the rest bits are your homework.
Okay.
Yeah, from the stones that shine, we discuss it in the next class. Means,
Okay.
yeah.